Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I get electricity in my 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan without wiring, inverters, batteries, or having to plug into an electrical hookup at a campground or an RV. Now, I do often take advantage of electrical hookups when I travel because I love staying at campgrounds, especially when I want to shower and things like that. But when I'm boondocking and camping for a couple nights in the wilderness or on the beach, which I like to do a lot with my dog, I take my Jackery solar panel and my Jackery 240 portable power station. So with the solar panel, you never have to hook up anywhere, and I have full electricity at all times. Let me show you how. This is the Jackery 60-watt tri-fold solar panel. I just bought it a couple months ago, and the newest model does come with a 45-degree angle little thingy here. I don't know what this is called right now, but it stands it up. So on the panel, you never have to like put it up against something or anything like that. So it has that, which is really nice. So it's already set for maximum solar energy. All it does is hooks right up via this small cord to my Jackery. As you can see right now, I'm not getting any input because I'm already at 100%, and I'm not charging anything, so zero output as well. But this is literally all you need, is the Jackery and the solar panel. The solar panel is actually more effective at charging the Jackery than an electrical hookup. An RV 30 amp hookup generally gets me about 38 to 39 watts of input. My Jackery solar panel gives me about 50 to 55 watts of input at peak sun, so it's much more efficient and powerful than plugging your Jackery into an outlet or a 12 volt or anything like that. Now, I have tested it in many ways, and I will say that the Jackery solar panel charges the Jackery in about the same amount of time as a wall outlet or a 12 volt. So the Jackery takes, I'd say, about 8 hours to fully charge, but I never have to charge it for that long because I always have some sort of charge in it. Whenever I'm stopped for a period of time, I always have my Jackery hooked up to my solar panel. My Jackery sits on my table like this, so I'm able to charge my laptop and my phone and these other small electronics to the Jackery as it sits here on my bedside table. If I need to hook up to an electrical outlet at night, what I do is I just close my door and I run that cord through like the top of my window. I just open it a little bit and run the cord through and let it fall. And I only do that if I'm staying at a campground where I need to actually hook it up to a 30 amp unit. So this is all I need to power my laptop, my phone charger, and a couple of miscellaneous items. It works out great. The 240 is awesome. I'm probably going to get the 500 or the 1000 in the future, but right now the 240 does everything that I need it to do, and it's super excellent. I highly recommend the Jackery and the 60-watt panel to go with it. I did a lot of research, and I don't believe the 100-watt panel makes a huge difference in solar efficiency. So this is the setup that I chose, and it works out really well. I hope that this helps you too to understand that in order to get electricity in your minivan, you don't have to hook up. You don't have to do wiring. You don't have to use an inverter. It is super simple and easy for people like me who don't have the tools and the resources to hook up electricity otherwise. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.